Okay, update on ICP. So the downtrend continues. I outlined this in the last video that basically we really need to hold this 618 and bounce, otherwise we are going to fall through the floor. And obviously we've fallen through the 618 like a rock. We're now backtesting the 786. So in my opinion, it looks like something like this is likely, backtesting the 618 and then falling down to the 1.618, which from where we are now is another 29% drop. So I personally don't really see us backtesting this low and going off to the races, simply because we've put in a few wicks around here before, and it just does seem kind of unlikely that we're going to put in a triple, quadruple bottom on here. Obviously, the more times you test support and resistance, the weaker it gets. And you know, it looks like we're coming right back down for it. So we are below the 618. We are below the 200-day moving average. We are below this big steep resistance line. And if we come out to the weekly, you can see we're basically in a huge bear flag, which I don't necessarily think will break down. But I do think that we are probably going to come down to here or the bottom of the channel. And if we come down to the bottom of the channel, you can see that we've got another 50% drop. So I do think it's probably more likely that we take it price target by price target. So we have obviously dropped a fairly decent amount since yesterday. We're only a couple percent down now, but we did dump about almost 7%. But now obviously we are back testing this 618 around here. So it does kind of seem like we're going to hit this and roll over. Now if we do zoom out, let's see if I can find any fibs. I don't even think we'd be up to the 236 here. No, the 236 is up here at 22. So yeah, all in all, this coin just does look quite bearish to me. It does seem like it's bleeding out. The RSI is just kind of losing strength over time. It put in a high around here on the 70, and then it came to 64. Barely made it to 65, so you could argue that this is a double top on the RSI in the short term, and we're going to be coming down. Now we could bounce from here, but you would really need to see us breaking back above the 618, which is at 20.6, which in my opinion it just seems less and likely to happen every single day, because we are just making lower highs and lower lows. Now one more thing, we are making a lot of M's. So let's see, we can see here that we have a huge M. So yeah, I mean, all in all, I don't really need to drag this video out for too long. We are just kind of falling off the table for ICP. We are making new lows all the time. The highs, when we do bounce up to here, they are lower highs every single time. If we come over to the ICP BTC pair again, you can see that we are kind of back testing this support here. There's not really any green volume coming in, and the RSI does look pretty shit right now. So yeah, I do think ICP is going to break down potentially another 30% to the 14 level. So yeah, that's all I really see for ICP right now. Once again, none of this is financial advice, it's all just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.